Did you know that 40% of customers stop buying products when they lose trust in the brand? Here is how Brand24 can help you stay on top with your online reputation. Be the first to know what people are saying. Set up a project for your company name and find mentions of your brand across various platforms in a split of a second. Your brand is big, and you do not have time to moderate all the comments and mentions. Say no more. Use our advanced filters to only check results that are most important to you. Oh, and save those filters for later use. One particularly useful filter is sentiment analysis. This AI-driven feature allows you to check who wrote something negative about your brand. You can track it in real time and respond adequately before it impacts your reputation. But what if a negative discussion burst outside your working hours? That is when storm alerts save the day. With those email notifications, you can stay informed about any unusual surge in your brand mentions. So there's that. But with a good media monitoring tool, you can do so much more. For example, easily analyze and draw conclusions from your project's results. Present Score will also show you how you are doing. The bigger your score, the stronger your brand's reputation. It is a great KPI for online reputation management efforts. Compare it to previous periods and generate personalized reports to show those results in the meetings. But other than that, Brand24 also sends daily and weekly reports straight to your mail inbox. Protect your brand's reputation like never before with Brand24.